In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $100 per day promoting your affiliate links on LinkedIn. Now, most people have the misconception that LinkedIn is all about finding a job, but in reality, LinkedIn is about growing your brand and growing your business. So if your business or brand is about affiliate marketing, make sure you watch this entire video as I show you how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. So according to SimilarWeb, LinkedIn gets 1.2 billion users per month. So it's an incredible opportunity to start generating leads and sales with a platform that tons of people are on. Now, of course, there's a right way to do it and a wrong way, and in this video, I'm going to show you the right way. So if we jump over to LinkedIn, I'm going to go back to my homepage or feed here. As you can see, there is a space for photos, videos, and even write an article. You can use any of these three methods to start getting leads and sales based on LinkedIn. So let's take a look at each one. So let's say I wanted to promote a product in the make money online niche. The first thing that I would do is I would jump over to Fiverr and I would type in Instagram infographics. Now, the cool thing about this is that these people, these gigs, have put together hundreds of different infographics done for you. You just need to purchase them for as little as $5, and then you can upload them into LinkedIn. So let me show you what one of these looks like. Here's an example of an infographic that I purchased over on Fiverr. As you can see, the different types of entrepreneurs, it has some basic information, it has my color scheme, my website, and then my logo. This makes for a nice, easy infographic that you can use in multiple places, including Instagram. So what I would do is I would jump over to Instagram, click on photo, and then you can find the relevant photo. All right, so I found the photo and I've uploaded it into Instagram. The next step is to simply click on done. You want to add in a little bit of context. So you could say, which one are you? With a question mark that forces people to answer. And then you want to use relevant hashtags. So maybe we're going to talk about, let's say, online business. And as you can see, there are a number of hashtags that pop up. Now, Instagram operates much like some of the other social media platforms out there where hashtags are really going to drive who gets to see this. I recommend that you upload videos, then images, then articles or text, because videos are going to get the most traction and the most reached, followed by Instagram images or images in general, and then text. So what we'd want to do is maybe add 5 or 6 relevant hashtags and then add in a link to a landing page or maybe even a blog article that you want to direct your potential customers to. So as you can see here, as I said, which one are you? And another thing you can do is you can actually tag people. So let's say you wanted to get in front of someone like Elon Musk, or if you wanted to promote Tesla, you could tag Elon Musk, and people that follow Elon Musk would have an opportunity to see this. So don't go crazy with this feature, but this is another good opportunity. So add in 5 or 6 relevant hashtags and then post. When you do that, let's discard. This will get sent out to people that are within your following, so people that follow you. And then once people start liking it and commenting, it'll get pushed out to a wider and wider group of people. So that's the first thing you can do, is upload a photo. The next thing you can do is you can upload videos. Now, the best type of videos that work are videos that are vertical in format. So the TikTok, the YouTube Shorts, the Instagram Reels. If you have those lying around, you can also upload those right into Instagram and get traffic. In fact, over the summer, that's how I was able to start building a following over on Instagram, building a following over on LinkedIn, just simply repurposing content from Instagram Reels and TikTok. So just to show you what that looks like, I'm going to back out of here and then show you an example of a vertical video. Now, when it comes to LinkedIn, there is a limit to the length of the LinkedIn video. Say that 3 times fast, but the limit is 10 minutes. So let me just upload this real quick. All right, so I've uploaded that. As you can see, it's a video. If I click done, it's going to give me the same options to add in relevant hashtags and then add in a website, a URL, or a blog. As you can see, it actually has a few recommendations down at the bottom. If you want, you can take advantage of those, and then you can simply upload those. Again, this is a very good opportunity. You may think like this isn't going to work because you are uploading the same images on multiple places, but you have to realize that most people will pick 1 or 2 social media sites and they're going to be there a bulk of their time. And if you can appear everywhere without having to spend years or hours creating unique pieces of content, this is going to help you grow your reach and start building and making passive income much easier. But this works as well, so go ahead and click post and then you can get started. Another opportunity is simply writing blog articles. Now what I've done is I've typed in PS5, which stands for PlayStation 5, which is a very hot topic or a hot item over the last few months, and I'm going to simply go over to posts. When I go over to posts, you can see people are writing and giving reviews about the PlayStation 5. This top result here has 262 views. There's also a video attached, 21 comments, 39 comments. You can see people are doing this, and you can add in your affiliate links to Amazon or Target or Walmart, wherever you're an affiliate for, and you can do this for different products. If we type in custom keto diet, which is a product that can be found over on ClickBank, you can see people are creating content about custom keto diet review. You see there's a top result there. People are doing this over and over again, and you can do it too with any product or service. You could do Bluehost. So if we type in, let's say, Bluehost review, click enter. As you can see, people are including their affiliate link to Bluehost. So you can do this too. People are having lots of success, or else they wouldn't be doing it, over on LinkedIn. Here's a handy rule of thumb when you're creating content over on LinkedIn. It says that the average shelf life for a post over on LinkedIn is about 24 hours, whereas with Instagram, it's going to be much shorter. YouTube, it looks like, is at least 20 days. So you want to make sure that you are creating content at least every 24 hours. I would recommend probably once every 8 to 16 hours so that you are staying in front of your relevant parties. To summarize, you're going to find an affiliate program. You can use just about any program, Bluehost, ClickFunnels, ClickBank, and I recommend that you go over to Fiverr and pay someone $5 or $10 to get infographics created within your niche. Simply upload those infographics with relevant hashtags, do one at least every 24 hours, and also include an affiliate link to either the product that you're promoting or a landing page link in each one of your posts. I recommend that you upload videos, vertical videos like TikTok or YouTube Reels, followed by Instagram type images, and then blog posts. You can also do review type blog posts, which will last about 24 hours. And rinse and repeat. Do this at least once per day. Now, if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start an online business, click the first link in the description and watch a free training. That free training will show you step-by-step how to get started with a high-ticket affiliate marketing step-by-step. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.